Welcome back. You're watching BEG Talk. BEG Talk tang asi khana risi stocks and bonds and mutual fund gi matang dani break ki mamang da mutual fund gi hapet akoi bibek amasung kano siddharth ta re now basic shares gi matang se share gi si sometimes companies na magi stocks in je share da on thok ma da pi bani adu da company gi marai baktu ga mi gi marai ga samnan bane so masida akoi paisa thadaraga return wangani ena mayam jam thadane sometimes bang musu yawi so just take us through haitare shares hi kanana lebi yai kamai lebi yai aduda what are the roles of brokers haitare basically no investor financier haje you act as a broker neba akoi paisa thadaga do aiga company marakta you are doing some liaison work am tok doineba so just take us through haitare I want to invest 1 lakh share that. What are the advice that you're going to give it to me?
First of all, like we need to open a demat account. Demat account ma hang dam jande.
Aduga demat account sikari no.
Dematerialize haibadi masai company amagi
ma hang tukto no kamaina adugi pesa kya changi
company amagi hone kano man lagi haita gari amadi thaina di physical form do reme. In terms of hojikti dematerialize
shares a paper
hojikti dematerialize form na taraga it's everything is digital and online. Adu masai demat form demat account ma hang ma tung jeida. Masai any it can be through a sub broker or a broker. Brokers sana hang baje ki khoi HDFC or else exist to join lay moi demat account hang baje or else khoi gi hojikan
demat account ta kai gi no changi se
demat account hang bada khoi pan card am changi
okay
or else aduga ngasai gi khoi gi bank statement ma ai 6 months ki if we are going to trade in futures and options and amjule ngasai another equity have aduga admaina kasha aduga jekti aadhaar link to tarogadi any FTS KYC norms
it can be done in like 10 minutes
okay how do you just
annual maintenance fee
annual maintenance na ngasai charges am lay adu ngasai account
kya me pisa to
account hang bada lobu lay logdu lay
okay
I have product si chaw lay because
ai di me ma hang ta ga pisa kya change ba apart from documentation du na ta bada
normally HDFC gumba koi big institutional banks the mo da hang ga khatang rim cha yam na change
okay
like maybe 1000 to 1000
okay
and after that annual maintenance
one time never
annual maintenance is more 2000 that I'm like
so every year you have to pay demat ma hang ta ga every year lupa lising ani di ting time never
and after that
every bank that available with demat
SBI is
aduga akoi
so first step is if I want to invest I demat ama log tare demat log daga da no da hai tare pala am lai thada bi on okay now proceed kawai do
adu matung da after that koi selection of stocks anil stocks se akoi na karma stocks thadaning hai ba kan da koi risk profiling han taw mi edu investors ge maje risk hybrid am pam mira hybrid if you want good returns then he should be able to take risks adu mana just agi kanogi yam di pam de du khitang di pami aduga ai capital erosion ni to binu hagi matungina amana adugi matungina koi selection of stocks hybrid in terms of akoi sidadi mo koi kitang technical terms ne akoi mi dugi magi risk profiling dugi matungina hybrid akoi na adu ojikan di samda BP yeng bujaw toseng na BP yeng risk profiling ta bujaw aduga my questionnaire mo koi fill up tawng ngani adu matung ja magi mana high
mana shock chalaga pe to bidana bhai na paisa mange ga stock crash to rega na koi type na ko
financial literacy
bulls and bears kana adu will come to that but okay fine BP bhau yeng okay
hybrid kitang Canada rom da mana du kitam kana hybrid yam precise oina ba yam accuracy oina ba du gi amai kitang kano to yaw
basically magi client to at medical risk oin da bi wane so okay so demat hang to then I give you the account ko adai di kamai to ba
asagi pamiba returns matungda hybrid returns pamagari yam pamagari we will be trading in the high beta stocks or investing in the high beta stocks
so return yam pam ba se both of you can go in the first okay ko iso yam pam me haji pam ba se how high is return yam high way ba an ting doi no just say I ne lupa lakh thada batam da tham da can I say tham da I want 50000 pam me ta ya duri bra how high is high and how low is low
if the person is hybrid mana returns and pamadi he should be able to take a high risk
okay I'm willing to take high risk adaga di ai lakta lam thada basida monthly da kyam lakhu yai
koi share ma je hojik se koi some around ma je kayum hai je if कोई GBK power नम ले आज जैसे it's trading somewhere around 18 years अदो माजे turn around तो पकी business turn around तो पकी माई prospect ले prospect ले
तो जो कोई airport कनो की मुंबई की airport है
माइने turn around तो पकी port अमले बनी ना माई in case it clicks it will be a multiplier
and share में दमा की price है 16 rupees and one week back it was 12 rupees so basically कोई percentage तो होता रहा अगर दी share में द पीरी जे almost like 30-40% पीरी में
okay
so
so basically I like am invest होगी से by 30 to 40% jump to win about
in a matter of 1 week
I get about in a week 130 one give win about or like 140 that's how high it can get
exactly
and risky
it can be like masagi koi kingfisher je some example of high get kingfisher je it was trading somewhere around when I joined this course I joined over around 7 but nowadays I don't know where it's gone
it's gone
my resolution okay people were thinking that it will turn around adu bunga sagi 7 rupees premium per share 0 gives you so it's a risk adu gi potom
the same thing with satyam computers
adu da my investment is washed out okay kai ban gala itre anai de matha sara ga ban to rise boom and bust type se
but main thing is when we invest in a stock we look for the prospect some have the example of a kind of recently akoi ki bharat mala project hai akoi it's going to be a huge investment project akoi ki 5 lakhs crore ki investment hai akoi ki minister of transport ta office it will be joining all the border areas of the India and the economic corridor akoi ki northeast ki matang na akoi ki doina samjana twine so it goes like I said it's somewhere around 5 lakhs crore adanga sagi sigi prospects ura padagi akoi ki company khale akoi ki infrastructure company some Larsen & Toubro NCC NBCC maina makan lei HCC Hindustan Construction Company so mayam ja akoi prospect yengem so down the line how will it be masagi cam magi prospect se cam maina adugi ngasagi project se implement or pakanda maunda shumagi infrastructure company se cam chakhala kadagi moi the cam profit phangakani or else magi order book da by the book order da ngasagi cam ne kadagi khol kadagi adugi matung ina ngasagi akon investment je khala kane
okay so nogi job se adu mem company am study to bune so am badai pal am thada ninge it was high risk square if I willing to take noina yam phaina khanba company thiraga aduda tak thadaraga in a week's time I get 40,000 or I go zero nadra adu like scenario next scenario da okay I want my money to be relatively safe kar di winning paisa ju khar dim pam me 30,000 phang da ju yare we go da 15,000 or 1 lakh to 15,000 phang ju yare na khat da ga di how will you manage my portfolio hai tar ai gi account
se adu gi da koi gi ketang ro le akoina it's called a hedging ane jo koi amal le sina koina akoina hedging sina comment together in case akoina ngasagi sona kan akoina equity thadar ne equity je thadar matung je mai ngasagi adum haigalan ba but in case we have apply akoina option strategies gan le akoina straddle long straddle agi bull spread bear spread kan makan akoina kitang technical terms de oiga ana ngasagi akoi capital je erosion tarok tana ba amai strategy khat sine ada sine matung je da ngasagi capital je sunga erosion to holoi haibadi incomes ngasagi
ai gi lak thadagi bi sunga mangaloi adagi nang kare helaga kanu phang po yai
phang ga deba adu ngasagi sola kangi capital erosion is sungtok to holoi de adu gi mongda akhone strategy kan semja
to how to defensive point akhone sana and adu sectors to akhone yam focus to India de akhoi gi IT sector je dum strong one le maje since 1990 to 2000 maje tum economy gi generate kanone one big economy generator ma waram plus banks the key construction company infra companies again pharmaceutical sector is just link or linga mo is kind of they are like very dependent on outside countries
volatile
Europe kumba US kumba aduga akoi gi mo gi food and FDA na ma lady food and drugs mo jina akoi gi sida no ama inspection number to ni na lab adu inspection je pass out drop akoi gi
sagadi se goes down
plant yes
for example ngasi kita akoi pawte the thinners GST gi software build to Infosys na ni your US government adu GST gi the glitches me am lai be CBI inquiry to have sida Infosys ki board member am se pakhala mane ba
exactly
because the moment you go government CBI thajal tore ma kan to ni khol ni आगे स्टॉक से क्रैश तौदने अदो सी मैम जी it's your job to protect my I bisa protect tौदने नत्रा अदो सही concerns है I want my money and I want safety hai kanji da noina thada doisi different companies noi yenga thada dodine ba question I di any and every company ki shares hai is it up for sale anytime every time and you can buy adu ki type labor point away
it can have a supply and demand or rather we call it fear and greed
okay
shortest and long bulls and bears है तो लाए bulls are basically the people who are like cooking सही positive or labor the market is going to go up काखत के नहीं आएगा bears ना इतना कुंदन नहीं अगर bulls का bears का नहीं जितना balance था वाले ना बने
so there will always is demand and supply अमर group अमर ले रहा है some group अमर ले रहा है लाइनर ने मशीन जी मैं ना अदुकी unless they don't have अदुना तरह की economy का भी problem लेते हैं so it's a balance
but there are groups there are companies perpetually on the rise labor companies le ngani natra say Apple may be very strong company and then IBM Microsoft adum wangam satli mogi share ga se adu invest ho gaya ta ga end time you like adum phangbra
hojiti kano aduna US rom da lai India gi oina di koi BSE and NSE trade tawde
sebi gi makha da lai ba gi mapa company ha ga
okay
suppose like akhoi Nestle with India that moi subsidiary ma lega dum trade tawre pura because they are very big conglomerate aduna tawle at the same time Unilever
HUL Nestle su megi matang de ekta down chali ne
ngasi sai ta ga ta
ngasi gi kano da ngasi gi akhoi pau da lai Nestle gi akhoi gi ka haitar mogi ngasa gi turn around se tawe have building the trust deficit le amse objective fazna moine collaborate toga have it's in every corner have India gi kano se akhoi gi
they bounce back
we thought ki Nestle na du ki problem lagi matam to Nestle je each and every brokerage firm as well as akhoi se gi analyst me amjana hai ja done deal
yo do
they are done deal how they came up in the last moi adu matung da moi na kakhalak paje it was like a wonderful turnaround
similarly Samsung ki juma gi battery pokhai ga to ma gi down chalang mane tadra ado hojik India ki in Indian context da sum deal dorni na what are the companies that is most safe to invest agata
companies se adu ki safe invest ai je khoi gina magi we look at the fundamentals also fundamentals kadang akhoi na prospects akhoi na long term investment hai ta gadi we say more than 1 year adu short term mai na akhoi na below 1 year
okay
adu sai gi akhoi na investment ama tawge haba kanda it says more than 1 year having aduga mi ki horizon gi matung ina aida ngasi paisa je yam tang ena khali buse for someone it may be cost it may be have cheap have mi ki horizon agi investment horizon gi matung ina rent taw ngatan aduga ngasai coming back to ngasai gi koina company ma choose taw kanda khoi je fundamental yeng ma ha kani magi ngasai gi top line na khoi lam le top line jina khoi gi magi revenue khoi profit after tax hana matang hai magi khoi gi ratio analysis hai dan maina du gi magi makhan yeng
company di balance sheet magi khoi gi quarterly every quarter je dum
mai quarter ki declaration pe to dine
aduna khoi quarterly khuding review taw review maina magi performance ki am hengalai bana taga from magi revenue guidance hengalai
ba sai sidena tang sai khoi investment ka trading ga ba ai short term da paisa je thadaraga amuk to sum sum ta ga di will I be the trader or aina se alpal am pire for next 5 years no the pire aduga give me return hai gana adura kai no investment ka trading ga se
akoi na sagi aina haija akoi more than if it is more than 1 year it calls it as an hybrid na sagi fundamental thing ate ade plus adugi magi kamaina growth magi order book value kam na ge mai ya kani magi adugi magi if it's an infrastructure company magi ngam hagi hybrid kam project toy ba koliba mai kam chahi da kam la kani khot kani habagi mayam am yang ta de
criteria gi adum pot ma le
criteria mayam yang te ya de but if it's going to be like akoina kitang short term hoina if it's for even for 1 year adu dadi koi kasim kam te yeng de asina akoina it's kind of a speculation also
graph yenga
koi graph yenga magi koi technical chart hai koi hai ta gari koi je Japanese candle chart ana am sin ne
adu invest traders ke gi sentiment to adu ya koi khang ba ngasi no misit moi jina kan tok sel yam le sel volume sim mem kan to adu tari ma khain ka khalak to re long build up re short covering adu khar lai diu ka
psychology game
but again
poker ki type adu ki pot lak ne da Manipur ki da mulak si ko Manipur ki market se you are young entrepreneurs trying to break into Manipur ki financial market se hai ra se ko hoji koi le ri we have some hogi financial institute local oiba mayam khara chauna branch ka to ju yaw re then again we have our local ke no money lending ki ke no de re saida 5% da pubi ga le sigumba atmosphere sigumba ke no ji da kamai to why would people invest in something like stocks and bonds is very alien way you know ko oi khara dilai koi we know people who are already investing ado sometimes direct masana invest ka tau ta ga di ma je adum akhoi makha da chi lu ying le ba ka bu yaw e ko down chakra ba ga na down chakra yon tho ga to ni ying le ba adu mai ji to ngam da ba su ma'am le twin ni ko ai di rai kup na su adu ki thabak to noin to video ni ba to di but convincing people si pito ka tha ko ti 5% lak to na pai hai na khan ba ka bu yom doi ni kari strategy sinarga you will get people to invest in shares
sigi sagi hai ta gari coming back adu da koi financial planning ane lai financial planning je it's a akhoi gi chahi aina hek 25 years de gina mana hek ham job fanga padagi hai thabak to ba padagi na till retirement hai ba mana magi vacation ga to ba magi macha gi lohong bagi magi macha gi study to bagi any
adai area de koi maite hai ga dra maite ha de Manipur le ya ba very poor ne
we don't invest at all
ara ko cha thok gi koi gi culture lai loin mak ti na te ko ai tari nam jin na angon da doan song ji but generally angon de ga ho tari ko koi di you know we want to
life insurance late
we want to enjoy life hai na so head on a stick ya ma
abai life insurance lo
I'm still lo ba da ji tax kan bi lo bu do adu na ba to ya
and the question is like ai si bi da mo da ai pesa
shiril mere me do na adu scenario is the kamina planning to ga na convince do ba se let's hear you out
planning to wa ba khoi life insurance like the sigi poche this is a big issue because 2 years back akoina aina loan am logen chat lueba loan am log chak kam da akhoi aina di khangdi khangaga sigi poche idea je kari gi no di khangdaba Manipur je loan lobo lui hai je last we don't have any investment and people take loan
adu loan no ga sigre so adu payment on bane loan magi risk cover to bane
adu loan ju log ja loan ju pidre loan laure ga singre adu khoi NPA hai ba poche non performing assets si ja wang le Manipur ji and that's the reason why khoi ngasai mapan gi kano investment ja lak ngam ji kanom tong mutam de moi di pesa sing da kano ni hai ba pot adu legi and they don't have investment khoi ngasai gi insurance labor as well as kind of different kind of investment sidane ba khoi gi so if we think in general khadang chaw ni yang ga di adu tausi so that mapan di khoi company me am la edna la aga moina they can come down and over here like they can start investing that is the big issue
okay adu ne ram de next da khoi matam ju lesson pone lesson ko da khoi na se aingon da lupa la ma dai ba si I am confused ai tare 5% da anto ma se hard ki da ba gi pa ju kirak lei ba adagi khoi local gi bank lai me am ji da 4% pige 2% pige me am advertise to is the p resu khali se masi bank se he kai ga ti ga ji pakhat pa adai da LIC mu chat le adagi mutual fund chat le return is too big is too small mu khan pa so I'm basically I'm left with the option of shares tawre adai da tell me how you will manage my 1 lakh rupees so that I get a decent kind of say karai bong di halakpu yani
अबे तमो की risk profile जा risk से तमो ने क्या
ना हंगे तो वो question था हो ना तिको भी you ask me what is my risk okay I'm willing to take आई की अंगाई बतो आई की लिपा लाम जे आई पसंद है याम wan tan मनी मांग बया दे को अदुम दी मांगन बिर नो but I need some monthly income from this 1 lakh investment. Kaya ko din ang pingam.
Ado tamo na ako na hangdo je tamo gi risk se kyam lo ningi. Tamo na manga zum kasu kai de.
Balak tu di mangya de. Anything zero phang mo ge. Zero phang mo.
Yes, I know some kano to hay ko da. Tamo na lo ning low risk take any kind of risk you want. Make yourself free at all. We can like happily we can take quite good amount of risks, and we can go to derivatives. Derivatives types is risk quite charge. What basically we'll do is bank leverage low rate stock market basically is taking loan from the bank.
Okay.
Once active or derivatives active or trading. But we never advise people to do this.
Okay. So full risk din low deva.
Ako na advice to this man, this ito. Ako na
give me a good advice. I like the mang biya de, but I need some money back.
Ako dugi to ako na combine to have kanda. Nasagi tamo risk hybrid paisa je erosion sung to biya de high target. Combine to have kanda. Ako na nasagi 90,000 some at that stake 1 lakh. 90,000 je ako na fixed deposit or ne. Fixed deposit kamo adu matung da or else masagi olak pa chahida. In the next year masagi 1 lakh some deng line.
Okay.
But another 10,000 will be investing in equity.
Okay.
Adu tamogi capital erosion nahi.
Okay. So basically out of my 1 lakh 90,000 to na fixed deposit in thambi khani aduna ai kano do 10,000 jina nanga sagaraga ada phongo du phangne am. And how much that would be like? Adu kya do be?
Adu it depends.
Okay, next scenario, I'm willing to lose half of it. Okay, I'm willing to lising ang kai bang kasu yare. Khara chaw na ti gai tar ga ti. Adu da ga ti kyam to ya.
Adu ta ga mo khone risk mu lo yare. Kitang hai badi kitang khone ga sagi
ti ko ma ga ne 40,000 thamani. Ga 60,000 chin yare.
And sagi khoi gi basket ama sema ne. Basket se da khone to ise kitang sagi dana so hagi ba khoi khai am pi go da ba. Adogi ai portfolio je heng ta tharaba kan sustain to bung ngam da ba. Hai di adum hai regular returns ama pi go da ba. Amana kitang high bita waraga kitang mayam kitang extraordinary returns pi go da ba. Hai bi aduna heng sagi amana tam tam ching khalaga amaduna amuk sagi capital appreciation o hendu ne. Aduna sagi adumagi mong na ma akhone portfolio design ama tong dia de.
Large scale companies kai je. Khoi blue chip companies ai akhona. Companies traded in the Sensex the year basket 30 companies ne Sensex le je. Adu ga sagi Nifty je le je 50. Some of the investor gonna khoi capital erosion ka hen le.
Okay.
It might take time. Time will leave. Have the hunger up down the leave. Adu khoi mid cap na khoi mid cap ai jina kitang mo jina volatile di organi ba. But they are like companies khoi sagi prospect future prospect wang ba. Adu ga future prospect wang mo ni adu na kakhat pa je to. Then there is one called small cap. Small cap jini quite the biggest volatile. They can like capital erosion level je. Natraga you can become they can become like multi-baggers in the sense like 3-4 times returns per KPI man.
Okay. Aduga last si torga hingni hari ni na. What's your commission? Basically I'm not talking about no ki wana ta bata. So Warren Buffett say billionaire on that. So what would be nangu banga am toraga stock broking to ge hai matam sida what's the kind of return hai tare
industry go na ba je ko annual under management hai asset under management na masagi AUM na masane adu is a certain percentage am law certain percentage mo na 2.5 amina ko to
2.5% of the total
earning hai bading sai but masagi mai kesel total asset to the
okay total asset to the
so if masagi tamona sai lupa lam thada matung da lupa lam yang khai ore kala je lam yang khai du gi oi
2.5%.
Okay. So different kind of adu na khoi sagi industry standard among ore ka it depends.
Okay, great. I like the theory. Okay, that was Siddharth amasung Vivek Thokdamni speaking to us on stock markets ki. Stock markets all over world where na achoba companies mayam achoba investor mayam na sinari ba adumba investment area mani sadly Manipur da yam popular oide akoi ayamba high risk koi ba samda koi lakai puthok pusin to budro to yawe but if you're serious investor see this is an option ai tare yengbe aba adugumba kaino ni area ni adugu magi risk mayam adugi mayam akoi Viveka Siddharth gi do akoi khangmam jawre. Thank you very much for joining us on this BG talk masiki lore na ngasi gi di BG gi talk matang sa da losin tare but stay with us for more episodes with different entrepreneurs, the market key makers and shakers of the market and economy in Manipur. Nasi matang asida impact TV na adom dagi kaina yatang nijari. Thank you very much for watching. Good night.